G'day, here's a nice colourful piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules and millimetres. Material's been wetted, white just you can see from time to time, like there is the reflection of the lights. This is a good example of where the opals come in and start to fill up the void, but the opal flow stopped, left this cavity here. In saying that, that could make a nice stone just there by itself. Another long super skinny stone there, perhaps. Or you could do what it's, the way it's been shaped, and keep the whole light, make it into a pendant. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.